Your home is your castle. You need doors and windows that easily open whenever you want and stay securely closed when needed. That's why, when buying new doors and windows, the most important part to consider is the locking solution. At MACO, we've specialised in developing the highest quality locking hardware for over 75 years. Headquartered in Austria, manufacturing is exclusive to our own European factories, ensuring that all of our products meet the highest quality EU and British standards to guarantee smooth and reliable operation and energy efficiency. Safety and security is at the heart of what we do, so we ensure above industry standard testing and have gained approval across our range from Secured by Design, the Police Security Initiative. As a sustainable manufacturer, we've honed the manufacturing and transportation of our products to have minimal impact on the planet. All MACO locking solutions are protected against corrosion thanks to our industry-first self-healing surface protection, Silverlook EVO. Studies have shown that 1 in 7 burglars enter through an unlocked door. To maximise the security of your home, the MACO ATS automatic door lock provides the perfect solution. All locking points are thrown with 100% precision, increasing your security, energy performance, and reducing the chances of your door bowing. The deadbolt is also automatically engaged for instant peace of mind. Keyless entry, such as a fingerprint scanner, is an easy addition. A day latch option is available to enable the door to be opened and closed without the need for a key for when you need to come and go while remaining in and around your property. To find out more about MACO's quality door and window solutions, ask your installer or visit our website.